Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your GoCardless account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type gocardless.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the homepage of GoCardless. If you scroll down, you will find lots of features provided by GoCardless. But right now, we need to log into our account. So let's begin. On the navbar, at the top right, you will find something like login button next to the sign up. If you have not, do sign up right now. And here's the login button. Simply click on it. You will be redirected to a new page. Now enter your registered email address and the password. Once everything is okay, simply click on sign in. And there you have it. That's how you log in to your GoCardless account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.